"Let us go over to Bethlehem and see this thing that has happened, which the Lord has made known to us." And they went with haste and found Mary and Joseph and the baby lying in a manger. And when they saw it, they made known the saying that had been told them concerning this child. And all who heard it wondered at what the shepherds told them. But Mary treasured up all these things, pondering them in her heart. And the shepherds returned, glorifying and praising God for all they had heard and seen, as it praise been told them. And at the end of the 8 days, when he was circumcised, he was called Jesus, the name given by the angel before he was conceived in the womb.
Isn't that wonderful that Jesus came as a baby and grew up and lived his life and then gave it for us? That's wonderful. And I hope all of you young people will serve him till the end of your life, till you get to be 101.
Wow.
That was sweet, right?
Thanks.
Oh, come let us adore him. Oh, come let us adore him. Oh, come let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Lord, I just really come to you in prayer today, sending your Savior from heaven